Hey plant lovers, you know that feeling when you're surrounded by the most gorgeous lemon verbena, but it's all tall and spindly. Ugh, we've all been there, but don't despair. Today, we're diving into a simple trick to transform your lemon verbena into a bountiful, bushy beauty. It's all about pinching. By removing the growing tip, we're telling the plant to focus its energy on producing lateral branches. This creates a fuller, bushier habit and, of course, more beautiful leaves to enjoy. Now, let's learn how to pinch lemon verbena. Begin by identifying the new growth tips where the plant is actively branching out. Using your thumb and forefinger, gently pinch off the top inch of each stem just above a pair of leaves. By doing this, you stimulate the plant to redirect its energy into producing new side shoots, creating a fuller, bushier shape over time. Repeat this pinching technique every few weeks, especially during the growing season, to maintain a compact and vigorous lemon verbena plant. Lemon verbena, known for its refreshing scent and culinary uses, grows best when encouraged to develop lateral branches. This not only enhances its appearance but also boosts its leaves' productivity. Lemon verbena, a natural branching plant, has the potential to flourish even further with a bit of direction. By providing some guidance, you can encourage it to grow into a more lush and voluminous bush. With the right care and attention, this aromatic herb can truly thrive and enhance your garden or indoor space. Pinching the plant's growing tips is a simple yet effective way to promote bushier growth. By removing the topmost part of the plant, you stimulate the growth of lateral branches, which in turn creates a denser and more robust plant overall. This method not only enhances the plant's appearance but also helps it develop a more balanced and sturdy structure. So the next time you notice your plant getting leggy or sparse, consider giving it a gentle pinch to encourage a more compact and lush form. There you have it. A simple pinch today ensures a bountiful harvest and a visually appealing addition to your garden. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with fellow herb enthusiasts. Let's spread the joy of gardening together. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!